simulation. So how we can do it? Simulation, there are three types of simulation. One is simple component simulation, but second that we are using in a mechanical, that simulation is known as FEA, finite element modeling and finite element analysis. So with the help of that, what you can do, you can analyze their strength of material, and you can analyze particular property of that component, that how much load it can bear and what environment it can survive. So each and everything we can simulate over there in this designing simulation software. So generally we are using that simulation software that is unsafe, but that is licensed. You have to use it, and that license is costly. So for individual, it's very tough to afford, but industry, they are using it via licensed product.
Ajay sir,
So yes, yes.
sir, sorry to disturb, but participants are saying that voice is not clear. It's
Okay,
very low.
let me. Yes. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So that we can use it over here. So over here, what more we can do with the simulation tool that I am going to tell you, using this online tool. कि आप सिमुलेशन करना सीखेंगे कि ऑनलाइन से without downloading any software. So whenever we are going to do simulation, for that you need a workstation. Workstation means high configuration computer with having approximate 500 GB RAM and very good processing power with latest processor. So that kind of workstation is required for doing any kind of mechanical simulation, that FEA simulation. But now we are going to discuss about online tool. With the help of that, that workstation is being established by companies. Those are providing that services of online tool, and that platform is on a cloud. So we no need to need a very high configuration computer. So we just need only a basic computer and internet connectivity. With the help of that, we can connect any kind of high simulation that can be done. Now what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to tell you that how you can use that online simulation tool using mobile phone. And you can use on cloud also using CAD onset software, and you can use on your mobile also. So I'm going to tell you that how you can use via mobile app that I shared with you yesterday, that is own shape app. So I'm going to tell you right now over here how you can use it, that simulation tool over here. So click on this app store. So there are different applications. With the help of that CAM operation also you can do it over here. So, but for that you need the license of that particular app. So that you can take it. So now this one is Altair app that you can integrate with your cloud, and you will able to do simulation with the help of this. But this one is a 14-day trial. So if you want to purchase for per month, that is very much costly, but you can learn with the trial version, because this training program is for 1 week, and you can learn everything over here using this Altair software. So you can click on integrate it. So after clicking on this, you can integrate this cloud app with your own share tool, so that you can integrate it. So this one I'm going to show that how you can integrate it. So you can click on free plan, and you will able to install it. So this app will get automatically installed. So whatever simulations if you want to do, so that you can do it over here like this. So this one you can use it over here, like some solid, whatever you have designed it, you want to analyze their motions, that also you can do it. And so I'm just giving you a brief over here that how you can use it like this one. If anyone is sitting on this particular over here, if any load we are going to put it, how much load is being get impacted over here, so that also we can analyze. As an example, I'm just giving you where we are going to use simulation. Let's take an example of car. So when we are going to manufacture any car or any four-wheeler, so we are going to do crash testing over there. Crash testing means we are going to do इम्पैक्ट टेस्टिंग, कि आपकी गाड़ी को आप इम्पैक्ट टेस्टिंग करते हैं कि आप कितना इम्पैक्ट ये बेयर कर सकती है. So that testing earlier it was being used and it was done earlier, that was about doing practically by testing it manually. But now in these days what we are going to do, we are testing it in software first. So in a software, we are going to analyze it, we are going to set up all the properties, all the connections, and we are going to test it, and after that, we are going to manufacture it. So that our testing cost will get saved. तो जो हम प्रैक्टिकली टेस्टिंग करते थे वो कोस्टिंग आपकी सेव हो जाएगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. So the result. So am I audible to everyone right now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, okay. So over here, what we can do any kind of analysis, in particular, like analysis of crash testing, and one more analysis, like if you are going to design a bulletproof jacket that you want to check it out. So first of all, what you can do simulation, and after that you can make it. So that can be done over there in a very simple way. So now I'm going to show that how you can implement that simulations and what is the meaning of that simulation. So that I'm going to share with you. So be with me. I'm just going to share with you PPT. I'm speaking too much louder, so I think if you are not able to hear me, so kindly check your speaker also. So might be there is some issue with the volume, so you can increase that volume if some participants are not able to hear me. So I'm just going to tell you about with PPT that how you can use the simulation and what is the meaning of it practically. And then after that, I'm going to perform practical also over here, that how you can use that particular practical. So let's see how you can use it. So this one is a simulation over here that you can see it, that how it is working, so that you can visualize it. Now over here you can see that any kind of things, if you want to check it that how it will work in a real life, so that you can do simulations, and after doing simulation you can analyze it, optimize it, and after that you can manufacture it. So that like iterations process, if you are going to do in any kind of design, that can be saved over here in a very simple way using that simulation tool. So that is FEA, finite element analysis. So also we are calling it FEM, finite element modeling. That also we are calling it sometimes. So now let's see how we can use it. So this one also you can see, this one is an example of silencer. So in a silencer, how heat is being distributed, temperature is being distributed in a particular fluid. That also you can check it out using a simulation tool. That can also be done over here. So then after that, this one of simulation of human being. So how much stress is being produced on that particular part. If there is some particular stress we have to analyze, that also we can do it. Simulation. So this one is a CFD. CFD is also part of simulations, like that is computational fluid dynamics. So that is also one type of analysis. Like if you are going to design any car, so how you can make that car aerodynamically good, so that the minimum resistance will be there when we are going to run a car in a high speed. So might we have seen when we are going to run any car in a high speed. So I mean when we are going to purchase or we are going to see any kind of high speed car, they are designed aerodynamically, so their height will be very less and their interior will be look like that smooth. So whenever air is striking on that particular surface, so there will be minimum air drag over there. So that is being designed aerodynamically. So everything is being done with the simulations. So that can be done. And now when we talk about recently when case studies one case study is done by NC Software. They did that case study on Hussein Bolt, that how fast he is running. So how he is running with their body postures and their aerodynamically, and everything is being calculated, and they have designed it, and they have suggested some more tips also to him. to maintain his speed for running it aerodynamically. So that is very important part over here. So everything we can do it with software, and after that we can make any hardware also that can be done. So this one is actually a modeling over here, like if we are going to cut any material, that also we can do using FEM. So that can also be done. Now, these are a few elements. What is the meaning of it? That you can see that how we are solving any complex geometry. So, finite element analysis is a numerical method for solving problems for engineering and mathematical physics. Mainly it is physics over here. We are going to do calculations. So earlier, whenever we are going to design any kind of material or any kind of product earlier, so over there we were doing manual calculation. But now we are doing that manual calculation using computer, because now computing power is too much high. So that computing power we can use it, and with the help of that we can analyze it. As an example, I'm just sharing with you, like when we talk about Chandrayaan, so recently we sent one moon mission by ISRO. In that mission, everything is being simulated over here using software, like landing, soft landing, how we can do it. Everything is being that simulated, but sometimes we don't know the parameter of that particular North Pole over there. So that's why we were not able to simulate it properly. So now over here, what we are going to do, what is the purpose of FEA? The purpose of FEA is to find analytical solutions, like stress, how much stress is over there, and then after that we are going to discuss about safety factor. When we talk about mechanical engineering, over there, safety factor is one of the core parameters. So when we are going to design any machine, any equipment, any component, over there, our factor of safety should be in between 1.5 to 3. That also depend upon material property, that which kind of material we are going to use it over there. So that factor of safety is very much important. So that we have to maintain in between 1.5 to 3. Or if your factor of safety is more higher than this, so what we can do, you can optimize your material, you can reduce your material over there in that component, and you can save your material also. That also can be done using that FEA. So sometimes design geometry is a lot complex. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स ज्योमेट्री की कैलकुलेशन आपको करना होता है, दैट बिकम वेरी मच टफ, सो दैट यू कैन डू यूजिंग दैट सिमुलेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. So 99.9% accuracy you can attain using the simulation tool, simulation software of particular material. So these are the basically of it, like common FEA applications. कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज होती है? So that you can see mechanical, aerospace, civil, automotive, engineering, everywhere it is being used. Then after that, structural, what are the type of that FEA? So structural and stress analysis. तो आपको structural analysis करना है, that also you can do it using this tool. Then there is two type of structural analysis. स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस का मीनिंग क्या है कि आपको कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर है, आपका रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर है, जो स्टेशनरी है, फिक्स है, किसी मशीन के अंदर कोई कंपोनेंट लगा हुआ है आपका, दैट इज नोन एज स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस. तो ओवर देयर यू कैन कैलकुलेट स्ट्रेस. So that can be static, dynamic, linear, and non-linear. These are type of FEA. So when we talk about FEA, so FEA over there in the background there is huge calculation. So for learning that FEA, we need all the basic concept of designing, and basic concept of strength of material or structure mechanics, or basic concept of about their properties of material. Everything is being used over here in FEA application. So their scope is wide in the industry. So then after that we are going to talk about fluid flow, then heat transfer over there also you can use it. As an example, I'm just sharing with you. जैसे कि आपको अपने रूम को कूल करना है, तो किस तरह से आप आइसोलेट कर सकते हैं अपने रूम की हीट को मेंटेन रखने के लिए, कूल रखने के लिए, एयर कंडीशन कैसे डिजाइन आप कर सकते हैं फॉर कूलिंग इट, दैट ऑल्सो कैन बी डन यूजिंग हीट ट्रांसफर. Then after that, electromagnetic field, that also you can analyze. soil mechanics, acoustics, biomechanics. So all these are application of FEA. Then FEA is simple description over here, how we can use FEA over here, that you can see it. So, I mean, FEA means complex object you can solve, simple analysis also you can do it. So, material discontinuity that also you can solve it. Basically, when we talk about example of bond, if you want to analyze your bond and their strength, so there are two, three material is being that mixed up over there in a bond when a bond is being automatically when we are going to analyze that bond. So there is different force also in that particular bond. So that also we can consider in a design and we can analyze it also. That how much load we can bear with it and how we can make it stable and all that. So, and second thing is why we have to analyze bond parameters, bond analysis. Like if we want to drill anything in a bond, so how we can do it? For that we should know the property of that material in which we are going to do any kind of machining operation. So why we have to drill in a bond? So if we want to do any kind of transplant, if we want to do any kind of joining process in a bond, so that we can do using some tools like some nut and bolt and all that. That is also being used in that bond. So real world simplified the physical model, mathematical model and discretized mass model. तो ये हमारा टारगेट होता है कि रियल वर्ल्ड के अंदर जो आपका प्रोडक्ट है उसे फिजिकल मॉडल में हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे सिंप्लीफाइड मॉडल और फिर उसका हम मैथमेटिकल मॉडल बनाएंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्क्रिटाइज इट इन स्मॉल मैथ मैथ का मीनिंग क्या है कि व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू डू FEA so that we are going to do in a very small one component that is come out with the help of that math. तो मैथ्स का मीनिंग है कि इस पार्ट को पूरी बॉडी को मुझे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग इन स्मॉल स्मॉल पार्ट्स टू दैट component we are going to analyze only one component and after that we are going to consider its symmetrical with the whole complete body so that calculation also we are going to do. Yes. So this one is a simple cycle thing that you can see it over here. So that you can see over here in a very simple example over here. That is cycle swing. So how much load is being there, that more impact of load where it is at this particular part that you can see it over here. So what is discretization? Discretization means model body by dividing into an equivalent system. Equivalent system means we are going to take that complete body into one part. We are making it a small component and we are making it equivalent. So if we are going to be studying very small component, if the body is equivalent to that, so that then calculation becomes so easy. So we are going to analyze in only one component and all the body is being considered equivalent to that component. For many smaller bodies or units, finite element interconnected at a point, common point to two or more elements, like we are going to use over here node and nodal points, then boundary lines and surface. So that you can see. So type of finite element. So there is three type of finite element like 1D element, 2D elements. 1D is one line. 2D, 2D is by joining two lines or two nodes. These are nodes only. Then 3D element. In 3D element, what we are going to use? We are going to use 3D structures. So over here, multiple nodes and element is being interchanged. So these are nodes over here, and after combining two nodes, this will be the element. So after combining three nodes, ये हमारा एक element बन जाता है. So by combining multiple elements, this complete body is being get constructed. So we are going to do analysis in particular one element. तो एक ही एलिमेंट पे हम पूरा एनालिसिस करते हैं और फिर उसको पूरी बॉडी को इक्विवेलेंट कंसिडर करके पूरी बॉडी के लिए आपका रिजल्ट आ जाता है. So that we are going to do over here. So these are features equations over here we can use it. So now this one is the object over here. ये आपका बॉडी है कोई पार्ट है जिसे आपको सिमुलेशन करना है. So you are going to divide this part in multiple elements. So there is three elements now. So we are going to do analysis only on in one element, and after that we are going to implement that analysis in throughout this body. So that we are going to do. Now you can see this one nodes. So nodes we are going to use over here. These are nodes. So in one element there is three nodes. So nodes are joining another body. So these are corner points. They are joining one body to another body. So that we can calculate over here stress, strain, everything we can do calculation. This one is example of 1D beam. So this one is a beam. So we are going to take only one line. With the help of one line, we can also analyze complete beam. So this one is a complete part. So over here, this different nodes and different elements, and we are going to analyze. So this one is a 2D elements over here. You can see there are multiple nodes over here. So this small over here, these are representing over here. These are nodes. Now after this, you are going to use FEA 3D. This one is simulation of particular component over here that you can see. So there are some advantages also, like irregular bodies also you can simulate over here. Then different load condition, different material, boundary conditions, variable element size also you can solve over here using modifications, dynamic, non-linear problems also you can solve over here simply. Principle of FEA. What are the principle of FEA? So how it is working? So to finite element method or finite element analysis, a computational technique used to obtain approximate solution of a boundary value problem. So we are going to get approximate solution of particular element, and after that we are going to make it equivalent to the system. So these are elements, nodes. So we are considering one element, and after that we are going to do solving. So this calculation we use to solve over here, but that calculation is being that solved at the back end in the software. So no need to do that solving calculations. So general procedure, how we are going to do finite element analysis. So first of all, we have to do pre-processing. Pre-processing means we have to define element, we have to define element size, we have to define material properties, and after that we have to define element interconnectivity also. Then after that we are coming to the solutions. In a solution we are going to apply force, we are going to give boundary condition that which one layer is fixed and which one part we are going to apply force and load. Then after that post processing, over there we are going to find all the results. All the results we are going to find over there in post processing. Then these are stiffness metrics. So these are calculations that I'm not going to discuss right now. So now I'm coming back to that practical part, that how you can use it. So let's see it, how you can do it. Earlier we used to do that calculation for using analysis, but now we are using this software for doing all the analysis. So now I'm coming back to practically that how you can use it in a mobile phone. So this one is my mobile screen. I'm going to share with you that OnSet software, and same I'm going to share with you on computer also. So over here, this one is software application that we have added, that is LTS SimSolid. So earlier we have used one OnSet app and OnSet online tool. So with that you can add some simulation tool. So simulation tool आप add कर सकते हैं. So these are different applications over here. So I added it. So I integrated it. So how I can solve any component, for that how you can implement it. So go back to onset पे आपको वापस जाना है. There are more categories also, CAM and brand bring manufacturing. That also I will discuss with you, that how you can use these things also. So now this one I'm going to open over here. First part, any component I'm going to open it. So create document. Create document over there. So your new document will get open. So now after that, over there is one option of plus. In plus, you can click it plus. So there is like create feature studio, create part studio, create folder, and go to app store. Then over here add applications. Yes, this application we are going to use it LTS Simple. So from this plus button, you will able to find it at your symptom. So you can open it. So if you are going to open it, you will get display. So that ITR app will get open over here, that simulation app. So I'm going to show with my computer first, then I will show with my mobile also, how you can use it in a mobile phone. So let me get open first. दिस वन इज ऐप प्लेटफॉर्म तो आपको कैसे कैसे यूज करना है इसे ये थोड़ा सा मैं आपको ब्रीफली यहाँ पे बताऊंगा तो क्लिक टू ऐड प्रोजेक्ट बटन पे सेलेक्ट ज्योमेट्री तो ऐड प्रोजेक्ट ओवर देयर वी कैन सेलेक्ट एनी ज्योमेट्री एंड वी कैन डू सिमुलेशन ऑफ दैट ज्योमेट्री so I'm going to take any geometry over here and after that I'm going to do simulation so let me plug my charger so there will be some disturbance also some background noise so be with me because I'm doing plugging charger. Okay, so yes, let's continue. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add project. So add project over here. So untitled document, this one. So I'm going to add component. So it will show all the component over here. So there is no document. Untitled name, part studio, assembly. Okay, we have to take part studio, not assembly. So assembly get open. So let me do another one. Copy, delete study. So I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to open it again. So go to this part dashboard. So over there, I'm going to add new project. So this one is assembly part studio. I want to add part. Yes, part studio. So add component over here. Copy geometry. Add it. Part studio, there is no part right now, so I'm going to design some part over here in this part studio. So यहाँ पे आप अपना कोई भी डिजाइन ले सकते हैं और you can import that part and after that you can implement that study. So let me open it. So wait for a moment. So it's refreshing. Okay. So after that you have to make some design over here. Select this one. Select front view from over here. Front, and after that you can design something over here with a sketch. Select sketch. Then front plane. So over here we have to select this plane. Plane is selected. So we are going to make any kind of beam over here. So let me make one beam. So this one beam I want to make it. So in this beam, what we have to do it? First of all, we have to make it 3D object. Make it okay. Sketch is okay now. So I want to convert this object in a 3D, and after that I'm going to do simulation over here. So now you can go to extrude, let it get complete. Okay, go to extrude. So as we are going to do extrude, so you will able to extrude this part that we did it earlier also. Select face, this one face I want to extrude. So I selected this face. Now you can rotate it little bit. You can see in a different angle. Yes. This one you want to extrude this part. Let it get complete. So this one is your part now. So आपने क्या किया इसे what we did, we have extruded it. So I'm going to reduce little bit thickness. Yes, make it this much thickness. So this one is now my part over here. Yes. So in this part, I want to apply my stress and all that. So let me make it okay. This one is part I want to hide these planes. So we can hide it. You can hide this plane also. You can hide this plane also. Now this one is your 3D part. So this one is 3D part. So now you can see it properly. So over here you want to apply your geometry. I mean this one is your geometry, and over there you want to do simulations. So let's go to simulation study. So this one is Altier. Altier Sim Solid. Yes. So now we have to do add new project. Select component over here. Part studio. This one is part. Part will come automatically over here. This one. Let's see. This one is workspace. So we already added. This one I have open over here. Part studio. So this one is my sketch over here. So in this sketch, I want to apply my simulations. So how you can do it? These are options over here. Like first one, what we have to do over here, we have to make a connection, then we have to analyze it. So how we can make a connection over here? So this one is my part. So over there, I'm going to do setup. So first of all, there is options like hide, show, set material. So these are properties that you can use. So set material. So material you have to select it. So any standard material you can take it right now. So later on you can update it. So now I'm going to take any standard material. So let it get updated. I'm just refreshing it. This is my part over here. Loading model complete. So now open it. My part get open. So over here I have to select material, hide, suppress, set material, set rigid part. So I'm going to set material. Then click on standard material. So in a standard, you can take generic material, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum alloy. So whatever material you want to take it, I'm going to select generic steel. Steel I'm going to select. So this one part is now material of steel. Then after that, what we are going to do over here, we are going to select other properties. So right click. So you can set rigid part. edit connections, that also you can do it. So these are connection over here, click on the connections. So regular, like between specific part, if you want to make any connection between two part, sport welding or regular, that also you can do it, but we are not going to do any connection. So first of all, in a component, we are going to modify over here few things, like make it set rigid part. So which part you want to make a rigid? So select this one, select type of mass, mass, body and material density. Let me check it if I can select that base. Okay, so let me select that particular phase, which one I want to fix it. So it's selecting complete body. Okay, let me cancel it. Let me create a new study because this one is working in assembly. Delete study. Dashboard, part studio, assembly. Okay. So then after that we can click on the connections, like which one you want to make it regular, then add between specific part actions. So these are show disconnected group or part. So you can select your component or your phase. So you can add some connections. You can go to assembly, action, set material part, set rigid part. So this one we are going to select it over here. Part, click on more. Okay, this is my part. Okay, so over here, total mass of selected body, this one, that we are not going to do it, make it okay. Total mass, select it. Okay, so I'm going to done. So anyway, I'm going to open that the same model in another software, that is Fusion 360. Over there, we will able to open it and we will able to. So that is easy one because over there we have to do a lot of things over here. Because in this software, its setup part is not going to get simplified. In connection, you can select regular, sport welding regular. It is specific part and message. Add structural linear. So structural analysis we have to do it. Linear. So which, so these are yes. So we have to choose analysis and over there we have to select structural. Then after that I'm going to select constraint. So now we can put constraint over here, like immovable part. So there is one part that is immovable, that we have to select it. Phase. So we have to select phase. I'm going to select this phase. This phase is unmovable. So I made it fixed. So this one part is my fix. You can see it's sport. And now I want to implement load. So load, I want to add over here force. This one force I want to implement on which part? On opposite side of this, over here in this phase, or upper side of this. So in this phase, I want to apply load. So that load I'm going to put X, Y, Z directions. So that unit you can take it 7,000 Newton per mm. So that is my 7,000 Newton load that I want to implement it over here in Z directions. So in opposite Z, make it minus Z. माइनस जेड से आपकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. So after doing this, you can make it okay. Sport, sports unit is okay. This one part sport. We are not going to add any sport. Okay, so go back to this, close it. We have selected it, load condition also. so that you can see what load condition we have taken over here. That is simple load over here. That is pressure force we have added in that particular phase with that we have taken 7,000. This one phase. Okay. Sport, if you want to select any sport, that also we can select. For that we need. So in model we have to select particular, but we are going to select only phase. So this phase we have implemented that force. So then after that go to project, load, and now we have to solve it. So start solving. So as we are going to do it, saying that study is ready, you can solve it. So select the study and solve it. So we are solving it according to our loading conditions. So let's see what is happening. So solve करने से क्या आएगा, आपका result आ जाएगा कि how much it is, how it is performing. That you can see it over here. Now you can see, so the formation shape, this one is my shape over here. आपका ये result है यहाँ पे, so you can see displacement magnitude and you can see different views over here. So fit to window, stop it. So then displacement, अगर आपको force देखना है, factor of safety देखना, that you can see with this. So this one is factor of safety कि आपका कहाँ पे आ रहा है. This one is maximum and minimum. So आपका ये maximum और ये minimum है factor of safety जो इस component से आ रहा है. So that you can simulate it also. आप इसे simulate में animation के mode में भी आप देख सकते हैं. So then after that, let me now you can see it properly. So factor of safety के बाद हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे equivalent stress कहाँ पे आपका कितना है, that you can see it. Stress आपका ये वाला यहाँ पे, so small amount of stress is there. So अभी आपका stress कम आ रहा है, so if you want to increase it, that also you can increase it. So that also you can increase it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change that loading conditions, edit it, load result, pressure, sorry, no need to pressure, we have to add force. So this force I'm going to increase it over here, that I'm going to make it 70,000 Newton on phase, particular phase. You can select this one. ये वाला phase मैंने select किया, so direction of this one is negative z, minus में मैंने किया यहाँ पे, so you can take it plus also, that thing is same. So this one force I have taken in this part. So I have applied force. That is okay option. So okay was not completed yet. Yes. So now this force is applied over here. So now we have to check results. Solve it. Solve the study. Solve. Now we are going to get a good result. So this one we are solving it. This one is get solved. So yes, now you can see it. You are getting more results because we have increased force also over here. So now how the material is get deformed. This one is fixed spot and we have applied force over here in this z direction. This one is the z. So you can check it how your stress is being produced. That is strain. So this one is simulations. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change parameters. जैसे कि आपको factor of safety देखना है, so you can click on factor of safety and you can animate it. Yes, कि factor of safety कहाँ पे आपका ज़्यादा है. So this one is minimum factor of safety कि आपका part ये क्या हो जाएगा, fail हो जाएगा. Red zone is danger zone कि आपका part यहाँ पे fail हो जाएगा. So stop it. So maximum factor of safety है आपका blue पे. This one. So that is not coming over here. ये part आपका है ही नहीं blue वाला. So आपका part इतने stress पे fail हो जाएगा. So अगर आपको कुछ और पैरामीटर देखना है, like minor principal stress, वो में से इक्विवेलेंट डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीन कि आपका पार्ट है ओरिजिनल शेप से कितना डिस्प्लेस हुआ है, that you can check over here using this, that you can see it over here using this. So all other parameter also like colors, if you want to check in multiple color, that also you can see more accurate result. Smoothness के साथ देखना, that also you can see it. और then after that safety factor, major principal stress. तो सारे पैरामीटर आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि कहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा आपका स्ट्रेस आ रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट अभी क्या हो रहा था हमारा, दिस पार्ट विल गेट फेल क्योंकि फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी आपका बहुत ही कम आ रहा है. सो आपका 1.5 से 3 के बीच में होना चाहिए, बट दिस फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी इज कमिंग वेरी लेस. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू मॉडिफाई दिस रिजल्ट. सो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, लोड, दिस वन इज लोड वी हैव अप्लाइड, सो वी कैन एडिट इट. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा लोड को हम क्या करते हैं, 70,000 से 7,000 मैंने कर दिया है. सो नाउ चेक इट, सो मेक इट ओके, क्योंकि बॉटम में आपका ओके का ऑप्शन है. So let me do it, zoom out. ये ओके का ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे आपका, that you have to select it. Yes. So after that I just updated it. अब मुझे क्या करना है, फिर इसे solve करना है फिर से. So I'm going to solve this study. So this one is very easy कि आपका सेकंडों में क्या हो जाएगा, solve हो जाएगा ये. और आपको कोई भी हाई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कंप्यूटर की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. So that you can do in a very easy way. So that is online tool that we have used, CAD OnSet online tool. अब यहाँ पे ये देखिए कि अब मुझे फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी देखना है. सिमुलेशन करने के बाद फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी, नाउ फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी इज मोर गुड नाउ. रेड फिर भी आ रहा है कि यहाँ पे फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी आपको क्या है, 1 से कम है. सो दैट इज रेड जोन. और आपका यहाँ पे ग्रीन जोन पे 3 आ रहा है फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी, दैट इज 3. ये वाला जो कलर है आपका ब्लू. सो नाउ आई कैन इंक्रीज इट मोर ऑल्सो. मैं अब यहाँ पे इस जो डिजाइन को भी इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ थोड़ा. सो डिजाइन में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एक्सट्रूड को थोड़ा ज्यादा कर देंगे तो आपका रिजल्ट और अच्छा आ जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मॉडिफाई माय डिजाइन, स्टॉप इट एंड मॉडिफाई योर डिजाइन. सो ये सारा आपको सिमुलेशन पे ही करके ही अपना पार्ट मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हैं इजी वे से. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, okay. So I'm going to modify it, let it refresh. Yes, this one is my part. So I want to modify it. Modify कैसे करेंगे आप इसे? So this one is extrude over here. That is options. That is extrude. So this one we did it. So I want to edit this extrude. So you can edit these features. So let it get open. Refresh it again. So sometimes it take time क्योंकि आपका ऑनलाइन आप इसे कर रहे हैं, सिमुलेशन भी कर रहे हैं, many things you are going to do over here. So that sometimes it will take time. So let me get refresh it. So over here we are going to refresh it. So let it get open. So after that I'm going to